Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and what do we have today? Well, we have a really good looking Jeep Wrangler, and what did we do? Well, we did tires, and we did a rough country lift. Now, before we get into the tires, let's take a good look at the lift. This is a 2.5-inch lift, okay, and I tell you, Jeeps have a nice lift to start with, so an extra 2.5 makes it even better. If you're going to go off-roading, that gives you a really good amount of clearance. Now the tires, we bumped it up to the 33 and 12.5s here, and it got it some really good width. I do like them coming out a little bit more. Again, if you're going to take this off-road, these Renegades RTs are going to have some wonderful grip here. Before I get into the suspension, I mean, take a look how sharp this looks. It's not a huge lift, but I think it makes a big difference. In rough country, I have in my personal truck, my truck behind here, that's got a rough country 6-inch lift, and it's been on there for a very long time. You look back at my videos, I don't know how many years ago we put it on, but it's been very good. Now, buddy, if you want, see if you can squeeze the camera in there, because besides the 2.5-inch lift, we do have a stabilizer bar we put in there by rough country as well. So hopefully you'll be able to see all that stuff. Not a lot of room in there, but there is enough to get our camera in there. You can see the shock and the spring and everything. And again, rough country, really reasonable. If you're looking to save a little money but have a good high quality product, I recommend rough country. We've been selling a lot here, and the most important thing, our customers like it. Now, if you notice on the wheels and tires here, that the tires are the Renegade RTs, and these are a really nice, aggressive looking tire. Now, the RTs is a good combination between an all-terrain and a mud terrain. You know, people go with the all-terrain because they ride a little better, but a lot of people like myself go with the mud terrain because they probably look better. Well, here's a combination of the ride of an all-terrain, but more of a look of a mud terrain. Is your RT. It has a nice aggressive side here, and I think that gives a real sharp look. Also, if you notice, these have XD wheels. We do sell XD wheels here. We did not sell the customer the XD wheels. You bought them somewhere else, and that's okay, but of course we prefer to sell them. Again, we are an authorized rough country dealer, just as well as the Renegade and XD. We can take care of all these needs. Now, if you like, you can come here, we can put it all in for you, or we can ship this anywhere in the country. So if you don't live in the state, you want the tires, you want the wheels, you want the lift, we can send all of it to you. So anything you need, just give us a call. Now, I always prefer, before you order stuff, to give us a ring. The main reason we're gonna ask you a lot of questions, make sure whatever product we get you is gonna be really good. Because a lot of times people get the 2.5-inch lift, but then they order 38-inch tires and they don't fit. So we're gonna ask you questions and make sure the tires and everything will work together. And I tell you, you can see from the look of this how sharp this looks. It came out really nice. I can't wait for our guests to get here and say, wow, I am very happy. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is a review of the rough country 2.5-inch lift with a stabilizer bar and the Renegade RT tires, 33, 12.5, 20s. And before I go, like and subscribe. It really helps us out. Thank you.